Allama Iqbal envisioned Pakistan long before it became a reality. He is credited as the first to propose the idea of a separate nation for Muslims in the Indian subcontinent, although he did not live to see its formation. His vision for Pakistan was rooted in a desire to create a society where Muslims could practice their faith and culture freely, without oppression or fear of assimilation into the Hindu majority society of British India. In his Allahabad address of 1930, Iqbal explicitly laid out his vision, suggesting the need for a separate Muslim state in northwestern India. He articulated that the cultural, religious, and social differences between Hindus and Muslims justified separate political and social structures. Iqbal emphasized that Islam provided a complete and holistic way of life, capable of fostering a society based on justice, unity, and selfhood, rather than colonial subjugation. Iqbal's poetry also reflects his vision for a Muslim homeland. His works emphasize the concept of khudi, selfhood or self-realization, urging Muslims to awaken their inner potential and reclaim their dignity. He believed that Islam was not just a religion, but a revolutionary force that could liberate and empower the Muslim community. Through his poems and philosophy, Iqbal inspired a sense of pride and identity among Muslims, motivating them to pursue independence. Though Iqbal passed away in 1938, nearly a decade before Pakistan's creation, his ideological foundation deeply influenced leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah and remained central to Pakistan's identity and purpose.